going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So you guys might be super familiar with this G80 in Isle of Man paint code. So this customer has been coming to us since the get-go, since he got the car. He's done a full aero kit. He's done the RGB modules for the headlights. He did OLED GTS taillights. And he went ahead and did a full AWE exhaust with us. But today, to tie down the whole completion of the car, he wants to go ahead and lower it. We're going to be lowering this G80 M3 with KWV3s, just so he can finish the Envision that he has. So stay tuned, guys, and watch out for the end results.